guys, let's just unpack again on our indaba nje zasebukhosini, you know, what's going on. Remember, I did a video King Misizulu no Queen Ntokozo myself a month ago, I guess. Where there was just a lot of stories, and manje she even came up with another story so she doesn't even know why were people talking about so she left her homestead and went to stay in Mhlanga because she had just given birth to a baby girl. She's like, bro, I didn't do that. I mean, I've got the most beautiful boys, about two pen. That's why people in my ndabas like ukubona like that. So uzimoja kuyamazi kuhlezeke ithola ke indaba ayithina sithole kuyena ke ukuthi ke uQueen Ntokozo Mayisela ngithi is the first queen and the first wife of our king King Misizulu Zulu Kazoltin. So the question has been, why has she not been attending the events? Yakhumbula there was Umhlanga, there was also Kaduguza. I need to know back in the days we're going to it's Shaka's Day on the 24th, all of that she didn't attend. So people were like, bro, like what's going on? You know, that's when the stories came good, she's just giving birth. She's like, no, I haven't given any birth. Good man, like Ugubon around. Instead, she wanted to tell us other ndabas, you know, not the soskatale so tenesis for now because hey, so there's Pogba and is there's Pogba on that other video that I did. A spokesperson sasebukhosini what angazi ukuthi why do people get involved in ndabas zasebukhosini and all of that, but we were like, I mean, it's out there and baku social media labantu. They are prominent people and obviously we're going to talk about that all the time. I mean, umkhumbula noSihle nayo inside inkosi ethu umuntu wakhe. Understand? So I'm just like there's a lot, you know, around this thing. So iking yethu ke ithathe uNomzamo ke without telling the first queen uQueen Ntokozo angamtsheli athi avela shade noNomzamo. And then bathi uyanoma noNomzamo ngisho kule video in any case uhamba noNomzamo everywhere, almost all these events he's been with noNomzamo. But the thing is that, guys, from my understanding, angazi what to do understanding is into zasebukhosini. My understanding is that you have to in any relationship that has to do with polygamy, you need to explain to your wife and be like, you know what, I'm trying to, or I'm going to take another wife. Also, sisters and she wasn't told anything. There's no gifts for her. There's no blah blah. I just feel good. Lapo inkosi yethu didn't do it right. That's just my thing. There was no need for that. He should have just told her, I'm getting married. So she had to go akulume, keep a go and be like, you know what? Actually, no good, they are getting married. In fact, I heard it from the grapevine. UB grapevine is social media, obviously, but I'm just like, the whole family didn't tell her. Good to your sisters. And you know, when you are getting married, you need to tell your wife, and the whole thing you go to foot unkosikazi wakho lo ozomshada ingodu so yakho to be must be a virgin. Usisilo awayengena a virgin uningane izo2. People are like, no. We've never heard of such. He was like kicking no lona ke. Ngiyamshada ke. Ngimthandana and I'm getting married to her. But my thing is that not telling your first wife is not cool at all. I don't know what you guys think, like I said, but minanch go right. So she's explaining, Queen Ntokozo uthi no, I don't have a problem nesithembu. But you remember on my other video, I was like, Sisi Qina. After they said she moved out of her house to go and stay in an apartment eMhlanga. Uthi no, that's actually not what happened. No. And mina, anginayo inkinga yepoligamy, but explain stuff to me. You tell you to know this is what's down now, this is what's going on now, this is what's going to go down. In fact, ngiyashada mina or this is what's happening. hey, so nje guys, it hasn't been nice. I'm just like, no, it's not cool. Sasho futhi again ukuthi akaqine usisi abekezele. Yeah. So my thing is that also ma uyi-public figure, lezi ndaba vele sizozizwa whether you like it or not. And now she's just like, you know, ngiyi-public figure, there's nothing I can do. Obviously indaba zazoqhamuka ku-social media, although it wasn't nice for me to find out from social media, but it has happened and I'm trying to move on. And uyasho ukuthi nobaba wasekhaya uKing Mrs Zulu kaZwelithini akasamboni nje. Obviously, I mean, she's always with the sisters, and then, you know, they're happening together. I mean, we can't control that. So what are we going to do with that information? That's why people were like, and all of that, you know. So that's not cool, guys. I mean, go see or not, actually. It's not cool. I mean, in fact, like, why would you do that? Why wouldn't you tell your wife to think you're right? So I just wanted to add, there's another story, KZN, that's happening. Ne? Izolo, they went and raided a factory which have expired food that is coming from other countries. Guys, ayibona abantu befuna ukusiqeda ngale kudla kwabo ka-1912 like becabanga ukuthi thina mhlambe siborekile like we don't know how ukuthi silime sizenzele kwethu ukudla or sibe nawo kusama factory shops. Hayibo guys, nabe sebevinjwa, you know how it is. Obviously they're gonna be found there at the harbor when the food is coming in, and then khona bathiphile food about factory shops that are happening with this only expired food. Even impahla ama brands obviously I fake, I guess. I mean, there's no way ngaba real. Some brands were found there nazo ngekho nje right indlela esifike ngayo in the country. Guys, abantu abaye emakhaya, like I said in the other video, people must just go home, guys. Sonke esihlala ema-country nethu siluhlala kahle, sivakashe kuphela in other international places. Ngoba we can't live like this. Uyabona ukuthi manje nasesingasazwani, manje silethele ukudla okudala ngifuna ukusiqeda phela nini. So kwamanje kusame lapho guys ngendaba zasemzansi okuningi. Yeah, is the series that I've started last month of these gatas that are happening in South Africa. Guys, I appreciate you. Ngithanda over. Thank you.